Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Dodge Ram key fob. This easy guide will help you get your remote working quickly. First, gather all key fobs you intend to program, including any existing ones. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged for a smooth process. Then, sit comfortably in the driver's seat and ensure all doors are securely closed before you begin. Now, let's get your RAM into programming mode. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the run position, but do not start the engine. Next, press and hold the unlock button on one of your working key fobs for about 10 seconds. While still holding the unlock button, press and release the panic button. You should hear a chime, indicating the vehicle is ready for programming. To complete the programming for your key fob, release both the unlock and panic buttons at the same time. Immediately after, press and release both the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously. Finally, press the unlock button one more time. You should hear another chime, confirming that the key fob has been successfully programmed to your Dodge Ram. Once you've completed the steps, turn the ignition to the off position and remove the key. Now, it's time to test your newly programmed key fob. Step out of your RAM and try locking and unlocking the doors to ensure everything works correctly. If you encounter any issues, first check the key fob battery. For persistent problems, it's best to consult a certified Dodge Ram dealership for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.